AI agents, your new digital helpers. Welcome to a fascinating exploration of AI agents, the next leap in digital assistance. These super smart helpers are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. I'm Huey Poplock. So, what are AI agents? They are like super smart digital assistants that work independently to complete tasks for you. They understand your goals, break them down into smaller steps, and complete those steps without constant guidance. AI agents can make decisions on their own, learn from experiences, and use tools to complete tasks. AI agents versus traditional AI. AI agents are proactive and independent, can manage complex projects, and can make decisions autonomously. Where traditional AI, example is the chatbots, are primarily reactive, they respond to prompts and they generate text or answer questions. The AI agent process is number one, understand your goal. The agent analyzes your instructions to determine what you want to achieve. Then break down the goal. The task is divided into manageable chunks. Then 3, gather information. Relevant data is collected from various sources. 4 is taking action. The agent executes the planned steps. Number 5 is learning and improving. Information about performance is stored and used for future improvements. Vacation planning with AI agents. Flight research. Compare the prices and find the best deals for your travel dates. Accommodation booking. Find and book suitable lodging within your budget. Itinerary creation. Plan activities, transportation, and restaurant reservations. And payment processing. Securely handle bookings and payments for your trip. AI agents and customer service. Query reception. AI agents receive customer questions or issues. Then information search. AI agents searches through documents and databases for answers. Then resolution or escalation. Agent resolves issue or escalates to human representatives if needed. And then feedback loop, the agent learns from interaction to improve future responses. Smart home applications. A thermostat control. AI agent adjusts home temperature based on weather, schedules, and preferences. Robotic vacuum. AI-powered cleaners learn home layouts and clean efficiently, avoiding obstacles. Security systems. AI agents monitor home security, detecting unusual activity and alerting homeowners. In energy management, agents optimize energy use, reducing bills and environmental impact. AI agents and software development. First, you've got your code generation, project planning, bug testing, documentation, and then performance optimization. AI agents are revolutionizing software development, handling tasks from initial planning to final optimization. The future of AI agents. Financial management. AI agents could manage investments and optimize personal finances. Personalized healthcare. Agents might provide tailored health advice and monitor vital signs. Customized education. AI could create personalized learning plans and adopt teaching methods. And advanced task automation, more complex daily tasks could be automated by sophisticated AI agents. Benefit of AI agents? Increased efficiency. AI agents work 24/7, completing tasks faster than humans. They reduce human error. Agents follow precise algorithms, minimizing mistakes in repetitive tasks. Cost savings. Automating tasks with AI can lead to significant cost reductions for businesses. Enhanced decision making. AI agents can process vast amounts of data to inform better decisions. The challenges of AI agents: there's privacy concerns. AI agents handle sensitive data, raising questions about data security. Job displacement: some worry AI agents could replace human workers in certain industries. Ethical considerations: decision-making by AI raises questions about accountability and bias. And then complexity: advanced AI agents can be difficult to understand and control. AI agent impact by industry: 40% of retail projected to increase in efficiency for inventory management and using AI agents. Healthcare: 30 million estimated number of patients benefiting from AI-assisted diagnosis by 2025. 50 billion finance projected annual savings in dollars from AI-powered fraud detection by 2030. In manufacturing, 25% expected reduction in production errors through the AI quality control. Preparing for an AI agent future. For you, individuals, develop adaptable skills, embrace lifelong learning, and understand AI basics. For businesses, invest in AI training, develop AI strategies, and prioritize data security. The human-AI collaboration. AI agents enhance human capabilities, creating powerful partnerships across industries. AI tools provide real-time insights, empowering humans to make better decisions. Collaborative workspaces. The future of workspace seamlessly integrates human creativity with AI efficiency. Embracing the AI agent revolution. Stay informed. Keep up with the AI advancements and their potential impacts on your life and work. Be open-minded. Embrace the possibilities of AI agents while being aware of challenges. Participate in the conversation. Engage in discussions about AI ethics and regulations. And prepare for change. Develop skills that complement AI capabilities to thrive in the future and future workforce. Understanding AI agents, your digital helpers. So let's look at how these amazing tools can assist you in everyday tasks. So what are AI agents? Again, digital assistants, like personal helpers that live in your devices. Task-oriented, they're designed to help you with specific tasks and questions. And always learning, AI agents improve over time as they interact with you. So meet your digital helpers. Voice assistants, Miss S and Miss A. Google Assistant are common AI agents. Mobile apps. Many smartphone apps use AI to provide personalized experiences. And then smart home devices. AI powers thermostats, security systems, and more. And in your kitchen, AI, setting timers. Ask Miss A or Miss S to set a timer for your cooking. No more burnt cookies. Recipe suggestions. AI can recommend recipes based on ingredients you have on hand. Smart appliances. AI-powered fridges can track groceries and suggest shopping lists. What about weather? Daily forecast. Ask your AI assistant for today's weather with a simple voice command. Travel planning. Get weather predictions for your upcoming trips to pack appropriately. Severe weather alerts. AI agents can warn you about approaching storms or extreme conditions. AI in your car. Lane departure warnings. AI keeps you safe by alerting you if you drift out of your lane. Parking assistance. Let AI guide you into tight parking spots with ease. And navigation. AI-powered GPS finds the best routes and avoids traffic jams. Entertainment recommendations. Watch history. AI observes what you enjoy watching on streaming service. Analysis. It identifies patterns in your preferences and viewing habits. And suggestions. AI recommends new shows and movies you are likely to love. So shopping made easier, personalized recommendations, price comparisons, stock alerts, and review summaries. AI agents can enhance your online shopping experience in many ways. They learn your preferences to suggest products you'll love. Health and wellness support, medication reminders, exercise tracking, heart rate monitoring, and sleep analysis. So AI-powered health apps and wearables can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. They provide personalized insights and reminders. So agents by the numbers, user satisfaction, 85%. Most seniors find AI agents helpful in daily tasks. Availability is 24/7. AI assistants are always ready to help day or night. 50 million plus daily users. Millions of seniors use AI agents every day. AI for home security. Smart doorbells, intelligent cameras. Unlock or lock your doors remotely are different ways to use AI agents. AI companions for seniors. And here are some examples. Learning to use AI agents. Start simple. Begin with basic voice commands like asking for the time or weather. Practice regularly. Use your AI assistant daily to become more comfortable with it. Explore new features. Gradually try more advanced functions as you gain confidence. And ask for help. Don't hesitate to ask family or friends for guidance when needed. Privacy and safety. Use strong passwords. Review privacy settings. Be cautious with personal info and keep software updated. Embracing the future with AI. Continuous improvement. AI agents are constantly evolving, becoming more helpful and intuitive. Enhancing independence. These digital helpers can support seniors in maintaining an independent lifestyle and staying connected. AI can help you stay in touch with loved ones and the world around you. Remember, AI agents are tools to enhance your life, not replace human connections. Embrace them at your own pace and enjoy the benefits that they bring. So let's create an AI gardening agent. Welcome to a guide on creating a personal AI gardening agent. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Why create an AI gardening helper? 1. Personalized advice. Get tailored gardening tips based on your specific location and needs. Always available. Access expert gardening knowledge 24/7 right from your device. Safe for seniors. Receive advice that considers your physical abilities and safety. And seasonal reminders. Stay on top of important gardening tasks throughout the year. Getting started with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, visit chat.openai.com, and log into your account. Find custom instructions. Click your account name at the bottom left corner. 3. Select custom instructions. Look for the custom instructions options in the menu. And then prepare for input. You'll see a text box where you can enter instructions. Crafting your gardening assistant instructions. Key elements to include: ask about gardening zone, check current season, remind of seasonal tasks, and help identify plant problems. Senior-friendly features, safe advice for seniors, simple, clear language, large font and spacing. Example instructions for your AI gardening helper. I want to create a gardening assistant. Every time I start our chat, I want you to ask about my gardening zone. Check the season, remind me of important tasks, help identify plant problems, give senior safe advice, and use clear language and include large font and spacing. Saving your custom instructions. Copy the example of text or your own version. Paste in ChatGPT. Paste the instructions into the custom instructions box. Save the changes. Click Save button to store your instructions. And then a confirmation. Look for a confirmation message that changes were saved. Testing your new gardening helper. Start a new chat. Open a fresh conversation in ChatGPT to begin. Ask a question. Try, what should I plant in my garden right now? Observe the responses. Your AI should ask about your zone and the season. Evaluate advice. Check if it suggests easy to grow plants with simple care instructions. Enjoy your new gardening assistant. Seasonal reminders. Get timely tips for your garden all year round. Plant care, learn how to nurture your plants effectively, and problem solving. Identify and address garden issues with ease. AI agents, your new digital helpers. I'm Huey Poplock.